15-minute Pilates HIIT, 1 minute on, 30 seconds off. The first exercise, we're going to do side lunges with hand weights. So if you've got some hand weights, grab them, otherwise just use a tin of beans. I'm going to start the timer. Here we go. 1 minute here, legs nice and wide, and we're going to tap to the outside of your foot. If that's too challenging, you're just going to go to your knees for now. That's absolutely fine. Tap, tap. If you need to take a break, please do. We're halfway. How are you going? Great. Keep it going. 20 seconds to go. Good work. 10 seconds. It's good to do lateral movement. It's really good for your pelvic floor as well. Good work. Done with those. We've got a 30-second break here. The next exercise we're going to do is curtsy squats. Or curtsy lunges, I should say. We're going to take our hand weights and we're going to hold them. We're going to cross the leg behind. Catch your breath. I'm a little bit out of shape too. So it's good, we can do it together. All right. Let's go. Curtsy lunges. Start with your hands on your hips, or actually just down by the side. Now I do have arthritis in my big toe, so I can't lunge too deep. This is my little buddy tank behind me. Now we're going to add the arms. If it's too much, don't do the arms, just have the weights or no weights. It's up to you. Good work. 20 seconds to go. Keep going. Draw those abs in. Good work. Done with those. Keep the weights. Whoops. 30 seconds rest here. The next move we're going to do is squats with or without hand weights. I'm a bit puffed. I've had a bit of a chesty cough for the last few weeks, so it's catching me a little bit. All right. Pick up your weights. There we go. Legs a little bit wider than your shoulders, abdominals in. You're just going to sit down. Good work. Draw those abs up, in and up. Sit down nice and low. If it's too much with the weights, no weights is fine. Good work. "20 seconds to go. If you need to have a break, walk it out. If you're feeling your knees, don't do this one. Good work. Done with those. 30 seconds. Woo. Take a moment to breathe. The great thing is, ladies, when we're over 50, we don't have to do these full-on hardcore workouts. 15 minutes is enough. We're getting our heart rate up, we're using our muscles, We're building our bones by using body weight, building flexibility and strength. All right, now we're going to do a plie squat. Whoops. There we go. With or without weights, your arms are just going to go overhead as you go into like a plie. Knees are tracking over your toes. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. Good work. "20 seconds to go." Try and get down a little bit lower. Good work. Done with those. Good. 30 seconds rest. The next one, we're just going to take our arms out in front. We're just going to lift our knees up. It's a bit easier. See how we go after the minute. Good boy, Tanky boy. Hey? He's only 12 months old, so just the fact that he's lying here and not on my mat is amazing. All right. 1 minute. Here we go. Start. Knees up. Knees up. Working those lower abdominals. Good work. It's hot here in Cairns too, and I turned the aircon off because the microphone picks it up. So I've got the extra heat. It's like a hot Pilates. Knees are coming up. Good work. Keep going. Ooh, I'm feeling my legs. Good, done with those. 30 seconds rest. Okay, the next one we're going to come down. I'm using a mat. If you need to use a mat, please do. I'm not going to put my feet on the mat because actually the shoes ruin it. So we're going to do a plank. If you can't hold a plank, you're just going to go onto all fours and you're going to hover your knees off. So I'll show you briefly. Catch your breath. Good work. There we go. Oops. So, modification, if you can't do a plank, you're just going to hover your knees, shift the weight forward, hold it as long as you can, and then bring it down if you need to, and then take yourself back up. We're going into a plank. Hold it here. And then we're just going to add some toe taps. Toe taps. Good work. Keep going. We'll pull back into a rest pose. Ooh. Oh, having a bit of a respiratory infection takes it out of you. Okay, the next one we're going to do, in Pilates we call them front support. but the general term is mountain climbers. Again, if you can't do a plank, you're just going to go into opposite arm and leg. That's your modification. Okay, here we go. Knees are coming in. If you need to take it up into an up stretch at any point, so you can bring it up to here. Keep it going if you can. To go. Keep going. Pike it up, push those heels down. Good work, stay there. I'm just going to come down to deal with the timer, but stay in your up stretch. Okay, we've got 3 more exercises and then we're done. The first one is the hardest, ladies, but we've got to start somewhere. Like, I'm struggling too. I've had a busy year. Getting everybody else, getting their bodies good, working 8, 9, 10-hour days myself and not getting my own workouts in, which is not good. So there's a change happening. I'm looking after me because no one else is going to do it for you. We just got to do it. Okay, we're going to do a push-up, but we're going to do a modified push-up. We're going to turn your hands inwards. So we're going to lift those boobs. There we go. Turn the hands in. Give yourself a slight little pelvic tilt so you're not arching in your back. Shift the weight forward, wide fingertips, we're going to go down and resist as you come up. Good work. Keep it going. 20 seconds to go. I am sweating, ladies. Good work. Rest pose. Whew. The next one, going to work our triceps. So we're going to do a tricep dip. Just take a moment. We're going to start down on the mat, and then if you feel like you can, you're going to lift your bum off. So we'll see how you go. It's just the first day, so if you can't lift your bum off, don't worry. We will get there. I don't even know if I can lift my bum off. Let's see what happens. We're going to inhale, we're going to bend, and exhale, resist. Inhale down, exhale, resist. Inhale down, exhale, resist. Otherwise, you're going to come to here. It's not this, it's this. Bending at the elbows. That's where the work is. So first bit to go jiggly, ladies. Don't you just love it? About 20 seconds to go. Woo. Good work. Done with those. Nearly there. We've got one more exercise. Take a 30-second break. Lay down. with a oblique reach. Another 15 seconds rest to catch your breath. Work those abdominals a little bit, even though we've already been working them in our previous exercises. Okay, here we go. You're going to alternate, so you're going to lift and reach. Lift and reach. As you lift up, you're exhaling. As you're lowering, you're inhaling. Keep drawing those abdominals in as you exhale. It's like you're zipping up your tight jeans. Keep going, we're nearly there. One more, that's the time. Lengthen out. Have a bit of a stretch here. Push up through the left heels, reach through the left fingertips. Just have a little bit of a stretch through your torso. Change it over, other side. Good, from here we're just going to rock ourselves up. Come up to a up stretch position. Push those heels down, long deep breaths here. Walk your feet to your hands, rolling up. Great work, ladies. It's the first day down, and just know that I actually found that hard too. So